Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Well, you joined Juliet and I down at the storage yard, and it's been quite a few days since our last weekender, and we thought we'd take this time to update you as to what went on and how much we raised. But I think we've got a couple of thank yous first, haven't we?
Yes, we'd really like to thank Sarah and her dad and all the team at Piper's Height because they were so helpful in doing this and putting it on.
They were. I mean, we've never done anything like this before, so having their help and guidance really did help, because we did partially take over the site, and Sarah and her dad did trust us to do so, and we're thrilled, and we'd like to thank them.
We would. Thank you.
Thank you. So, how did it go? Well, let's get my glasses on, and I'll get my paper out. Well, first of all, Friday, it was a quiet day. We had a pizza van, and then in the evening we had a pop quiz, which went down really well, didn't it?
It is. I think a few people didn't forgive us for the years bit. You know, a lot of moans and groans, but everybody had a great time. Really
they did indeed. And it was 2 cash prizes, and then the rest of it was donated to the charity Donna's Dream House. So all in all, it was a really good evening. Well, so then we come round to Saturday, and the weather was on our side, wasn't it?
It was. It was really nice.
It really was. It cracked the flags. It was boiling. So we started off with Colin from Colin's Caravan Capers, Michael from Baldwell's on Tour, and me walking around the touring pitches, doing our silly little competitions, which we'd mentioned in a previous video. And that was the neatest caravan pleats, which we didn't bother entering, by the way.
No, we failed.
Indeed. And the levelest caravan and the tidiest gas locker. And there were some really good sports. They were quite happy to join in, and it was really good. We had a good laugh.
You did, yeah.
We did indeed. Now, while we were doing that, Carol and you did?
We did the raffle tickets. We went round and pestered everybody to buy the raffle tickets.
Yeah. So it was difficult in that heat, though, wasn't it?
It was, but thankfully, I said we did manage it.
We did indeed. Well, in the afternoon, we took all the raffle prizes up to the bar area, didn't we?
We did, and set everything up so we could have a look at it, so I could pester more people for raffle prizes again.
And it worked.
It worked.
So shortly after that, the live band came on, and they were called Control Plus C, and they were sort of like a busted style soft rock band, and they were really good, weren't they?
They were really good. Everybody seemed to enjoy themselves. It was a really good afternoon, I think, helped by the weather.
Yes, indeed. And many a beer was supped, I'll tell you.
Luckily, we did have the Spud Lady on set.
Oh, yes, we did. We had Michaela, the Spud Lady, and her spuds were awesome, weren't they?
They were, which we all had.
Yeah, highly recommend. If you ever go to Piper's Heights and the Spud Lady's on, get one. And they're really, really reasonably priced, aren't they, as well?
And they're very big, yeah.
Yeah, they are. So we had Spud Lady on, and then at 7 p.m, we drew the raffle, and Len from Donna's Dream House pulled the tickets.
Yeah, Len and Babs, they drew them for us, so that said the first prize was the Falcon camera.
Yes, it was won by a very camera shy lady who sadly didn't want to appear on anything, so we don't have a name or anything, but we were chuffed to bits.
Yeah.
And then after that, we just let people pick, didn't we?
Yeah, and our friend Mick drew second prize, didn't he?
Yeah, well, he chose
to...
Yeah, you chose the second prize, because that's what he said. If I win, I want that. So he won the coffee machine, and he was thrilled to bits. There's a picture of him there, picking it up from our house. So yeah, he really was pleased with it. So, how much did we raise? Right, so I've got a breakdown here. The raffle tickets raised £1,291.50. Plus, we also entered into gift aid, which gave us a final total of £1,595.87, and we are chuffed.
We're really, really pleased, and so was Len and Babs, the trustee of Donna's Dream House,
They were.
They were really pleased.
Yeah,
they
to a
sent us-
point.
Yeah, they sent us a little card to say thank you, and also
A letter.
a letter to say how much we'd actually raised.
So yeah, we were proper touched with that. But I mean, we didn't imagine we'd raise that much. We were hoping for about £1,000, weren't we?
We were.
Realistically.
We really was. But
So-
everybody was so generous
Yep.
that even the band gave us £10,
Yep.
and Michaela, the spud lady, she gave us £30.
She did
towards it.
indeed,
She did.
yeah. So every little helped, and we'd like to thank everybody that actually turned up, put their hands in their pockets, and supported such a worthy charity.
Yeah,
so
everybody,
thank you.
everybody who gave us the raffle prizes, and everybody who bought the tickets and come along and supported it. It was really good.
Now, with the fact that we were busy, we couldn't take any photographs or do any filming, could we?
No, we was rather busy doing it
Yeah.
all.
So thanks to Michael from Balderols on Tour and a few pictures I've managed to get from Facebook, we've created a little montage for you. And at the end, we're going to be thanking everybody, including all the people that kindly donated to the actual event. So take a look at this.
Switch me on and hang on tight. I'm party coded, activated for the night. I'm party coded, wave your hands in flashing lights. I'm party coded, gonna jump if you feel alright. Right now is our only moment. Free ourselves and unplug now. Move your body and shut your mouth. Not so hard if you work it out. Feel it go. Lose control. Lose control. Rawr. I'm body coded, liberated, and uncontrolled. I'm party coded, color popped, and ready to go. I'm party coded with that white chicken bug set too low. I'm party coded, let me hear you scream if you. No more talking, just these motions. Feel the beat, you got permission. Move your body and shut your mouth. Not so hard if you work it out. Feel it go. Lose control. Simulation override. I will make my own good time. Simulation override. HTML customized. Simulation override. Intercepted, televised. Simulation override. Circumstances modified. Move your body and shut your mouth. Not so hard if you work it out. Feel it go. Lose control. Move your body and shut your mouth. Not so hard if you work it out. Feel it go. Lose
You smell good.
Woke up late, the sun still shines. Awful cold, and some peace of mind. All blue jeans, no fancy plans. A good day sitting in my hands. Happy is this happy done.
Well, folks, that was the little montage, and a big thank you to everybody. we'd just like to say thank you very much for watching this video, and we do hope you'll join us again real soon. But in the meantime, bye for now.
Bye.